This video will show you how to apply Sibionics GS3 CGM system and set up the Sibionics GS3 app. The GS3 package includes a sensor applicator and a product insert. Don't push down the top activation button before application. Scan the QR code on the product insert to download the Sibionics GS3 app, or download the app from your App Store. Register an account with your email address or log in with your existing Sibionics account. Then follow the in-app instructions to set up your profile and preferences. Wash your hands and get prepared. Choose a soft and visible area on the upper third part of your upper arm. Then clean the site with an alcohol wipe and allow it to air dry for secure sensor application. Twist off the cap from the sensor applicator and set the cap aside. Place the sensor applicator over the prepared site and then push the button down firmly to apply the sensor to your body. After hearing the click sound, move the sensor applicator away. Secure the sensor by rubbing the adhesive edges. The sensor is now applied. To pair with the Sibionics GS3 app, enable Bluetooth on your phone. For NFC-enabled phones, you can tap the sensor for instant connection. If your phone doesn't have NFC function, you can scan the QR code or enter the 6-digit code from the GS3 package. After pairing the sensor with the Sibionics GS3 app, wait 60 minutes for sensor warm-up before glucose data appears. During this time, you can set your target glucose range, glucose alarms, adjust phone settings, and explore the Help Center. For optimal user experience, keep Bluetooth on and the app running in the background to avoid missing data. Your sensor automatically stops working after 14 days and must be replaced. To remove it, rub the adhesive edges with an alcohol wipe, gently peel off the sensor and dispose of it properly. Then apply a new sensor as needed. Subscribe to our newsletters or follow us on social media. Enjoy your Sibionics experience.